Do you have questions about the mirror manifestation technique? In this video, we're going to be answering all of those. Hi, my name is Preeti. I'm a life coach and a law of attraction guide. Before we proceed, can you please hit the subscribe button below and also press the bell icon right next to it so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So after my last mirror manifestation technique video, a lot of you had many questions around it. So I thought I'll make another video answering all those questions. So just to recap, mirror manifestation is an amazing, easy manifestation method for beginners. The process is very simple. You stand in front of a mirror where you can see your face and look directly into your eyes and say all these amazing positive things about yourself and about things that you want to manifest. So that is the gist of the technique. Now coming to the questions. The first question that people usually ask me is, what do I say? Very simple. Think about, what do you want to manifest? If you are a salesperson and you want to make a lot of sales, then look into the mirror and say, I am an amazing salesperson. I have made so many sales. I've made a record number of sales. My manager is extremely happy with me and I'm earning amazing bonuses and rewards for the hard work that I'm putting in. Making sales is extremely easy for me and I'm enjoying every moment of it. I hope you get the idea now that whatever you want to manifest, think of it as if it has already happened and you're enjoying it, and say that to yourself. Let's take another example. Say you're a student and you want to make a presentation in front of your class and you're a little nervous. So what you're going to do? Stand in front of the mirror, look into your eyes and say, I am making such an amazing presentation. People are loving my confidence. I'm able to explain everything that I want to explain in a very easy, simple manner, and people are applauding. My teachers love my presentation and they think that I've done an amazing job. So easy. So whatever it is that you want to accomplish or manifest, think of it as if it's already happened and say it. Another question people ask me is, do I have to say, you are amazing, or do I have to say, I am amazing? So is it in a first person or second person? The answer is, whatever makes you feel comfortable. So try both of it. One day, say, you are amazing, you are wonderful, you are confident. See how you feel. Do you feel the confidence? Do you feel that you're an amazing person? The next day, try it in a different way. Say, I am amazing, I am wonderful, I am full of ideas. Try both and see whichever fills you with positivity and high vibrational energy. That is the key. So whatever words you use is up to you, but the end goal is that you need to feel really positive and you need to feel the power of those words. Another question people ask me is that I don't really feel that positivity when I say it. It feels fake. This is also very common, but the key here is repetition. The more you repeat it, the more you keep telling yourself the same thing over and over again, the more your subconscious mind will absorb those messages and it will really become a part of your mindset and your attitude. So I highly recommend that you repeat whatever you want every single day. Next question is, how many times should I do this? So I usually ask my clients to do it twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. As soon as you wake up, go into the bathroom or go to your dressing room, look into the mirror. Main thing is you need to make eye contact with yourself. and repeat these things over and over again. Just 5 minutes, nothing much. And then before you go to bed, after you're done brushing your teeth, look into the mirror and say the same thing. 5 minutes, that's it. If you can do it more than twice a day, great. Whenever you get 5 minutes, just stand in front of the mirror and do it. Next question is, how many days should I do this? The answer is, as many days as you want. Because think about it. This manifestation method is going to fill you with confidence, and it will also help you manifest your desires. So is there really a reason for you to stop? Especially when there's such minimum effort involved? So I have made this exercise a part of my daily routine, and I highly recommend that you do it too. So don't think about, okay, I need to do this for 5 days or a month. Just make it a part of your lifestyle and do it every day. Just make it as natural as brushing your teeth or showering. Another question that people ask me is, who should do this? This technique can be done by anybody, even beginners of law of attraction. Beginners usually find it difficult to visualize because when they start visualizing and close their eyes, their mind starts wandering. They start thinking about this and that instead of focusing on what they want to manifest. So for those people, this technique is very effective because it's just 5 minutes. You're making eye contact and you are actively saying these things out loud, and that makes it possible for you to not get distracted and have other thoughts. So anybody can do it, and especially people who struggle with visualization and meditation, this technique is very effective for them. Another common question that people ask me, does this technique work? It's a very valid question, and the answer is yes, this technique works. I have uploaded a success story of mine. I will link it right here. I have used this technique to manifest amazing things in my life. Watch the video and you will know what all I have accomplished using this technique. And I'm sure many of you who have tried it have seen success. Maybe not huge shifts, but if you start doing it every day, you will start noticing small changes happening every day. And over a period of time, those small changes start accumulating and you would notice that things have started to shift. Just the simple fact that you feel confident can open up so many opportunities for you. So that itself is a big reward, and then anything you want, you can manifest. So yes, this technique definitely works, but you need to do it consistently every day and with full faith and feeling. Because if you just stand in front of the mirror and say, I am confident, I am amazing, I'm wonderful, it's not going to work. You need to bring feeling in it, and you need to feel those words. Your body needs to really experience those emotions that you're talking about. Yes, I am a wonderful salesperson. I am very successful. I am attracting all the wonderful opportunities into my life. So when you say that, feel and know that yes, those opportunities exist and you're attracting those into your life. So feeling is very important. If you're not sure about what you should be saying in front of the mirror, then I can create a video, just a 5-minute long video where I'm saying stuff, and every morning when you stand in front of the mirror, you can play the video and repeat after me. So that will give you an idea of what you need to say. It will give you some practice in how to say it. If you want me to make that video, comment down below, and if I get enough people's response, then I can make that video. If you have any other questions regarding mirror manifestation technique, please write them in the comments below. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.